By young men, mostly in Zimbabwe, who are out in the countryside taking care of the cattle. And you know, in many times there's not a whole lot to do, but if you make an instrument like this, you can make up songs. And that was Pamasasa Pamakugo, which is about baboons coming back to their home after a day out foraging and defending themselves. Now they're back in their home tree, home area, and just enjoying being together. And I thought of that song because Julia was talking about home and finding home in music and dance. So I'll play you one more too. This one's about bees. And we know about bees. Bees sting. And they hurt when they sting on the shins. So when the kids are fighting, the parents say, ask them, where do the bees sting you? And they're fighting with each other and they stop fighting. And the parents say, on the shins. How does it feel? And then, yeah, okay. And then they stop fighting.
Nyuchi